you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have a new arrangement to show you guys from Rose Forever, New York. I'm also going to update you on every single arrangement that I have. One is 5 years old, so if you want to see all of my arrangements and how they are doing now and a new and exciting one, stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so Rose Forever New York got a hold of me and they asked if I'd be willing to show you guys another arrangement because Mother's Day is coming up. There's so many different occasions and everything coming up that this would be an amazing gift for graduations, baby, anniversary, birthdays, any type of occasion. You can send some roses that are going to last for a very, very long time. They say on their website guaranteed for 1 year, and I am proof that it is definitely way longer than that because one of them is 5 years old now. 5. So I'm going to show you, we're going to get into it, but they did send this to me for review. So thank you so much for sending me one of your newer arrangements to show my viewers. I greatly do appreciate it. So you guys, when they asked if I'd be willing to show you, I was like, okay, so I've done so many different colors. Let me just pop on and see if there's a new color option or something like that, because they're always doing new arrangements, new styles, new colors, new containers, all of that. So I popped on and I saw this right here and I'm like, wait a minute, that's not just roses? Those are, what? I'm like, can I show them this? This looks so neat. So I have something brand new to show you. And of course, if you follow me, you know that the Postal Service, UPS, FedEx, all of the above, any type of a delivery service, they always love me. Look at this. It's beat up down here. Look at this. Look at this box. Look at this box. Like, thank you, whoever delivered this one. I took a little sneak peek to inside just to make sure it didn't seem like it was broken or anything. So let me show you what I saw. Oh my gosh, and I smell them. Do you see in there? Oh my goodness. She is holding on. Now here is the arrangement, you guys. Look at how beautiful. So there are some roses. There's like some status, and I think it's called status sinuata. I don't remember. I mean, I used to know all the proper terms and all the flowers and stuff because I used to own a flower shop. And I think this is absolutely beautiful. There's like eucalyptus leaves in here. Some other little flowers that I have no clue what they are, but they're not just roses anymore, you guys. Look at this actual whole flower arrangement. And it's all sticking upright. It's not like it's just in the box like the roses. Oh, and I can smell roses this time. Like the roses, oh, they smell so good. I'm super excited to see how this one is going to last. But even the container is really neat, and it has the Rose Forever New York logo right there. Look at that though, and I love that little bit of blue. The little bit of pink gives it a little bit of color. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. Oh my gosh, that is just gorgeous. Okay, you guys, I am just baffled. I am so super shocked. I've actually been waiting for 5 years for them to come out with an actual arrangement than just roses. And they even, if you didn't want a big rose arrangement, they now have like 3 roses that stand up in a vase, like red and white is what I saw currently as the colors available. I almost said flavors available. Nope, colors available. So that's even neat too if you wanted to send just like 3 little roses in a vase that can stay like that. But this is just something completely different, something super new, and I am so glad they sent this to me so I can show you guys an actual floral arrangement. This is absolutely beautiful. Okay, so now that I've shown you the star of the show and I'm so excited about it, I'm gonna just set this right over here in the side so we can kind of see it. And then I'm gonna go through and show you all of my other arrangements tell you how old they are, and you're gonna see why I stand by this company 110%. This is the only flower company that I would recommend. Oh, and they did create you guys your own code. If you wanted to shop their shop, you can use my code SheCrafty, and that'll give you $20 off an arrangement on their site. So you can save $20 with SheCrafty. I'm so excited. Okay, you guys, so let's start with my very first one. That's the one that's looking a little bit more aged, I would say. So this is my very first arrangement. This is the lavender. If I have a comparison of how it looks today, 5 years later, versus how it looked in the beginning, there's two main things that I'm gonna tell you is like the difference between the two. One is they're a little lighter. The color was a little bit deeper and more of like a darker, bold color of lavender, and now it's like muted down a little bit, which is completely fine. They're still lavender, they still look beautiful, but I did notice that there's been a slight difference in color with this one. Not really like the yellow or the red or the white, just mainly with this one here, I see a slight color difference. And they look like some of the petals, like the outside petals, look a little abused, like they have like little, some of them have like, you know, they have like torn. They're like little, but no one touches them. They just sit perfectly like this. But again, these are 5 years old now. This one, again, was the very first one I received, and I posted that video March 28th of 2020. We are now in April of 2025. So these are 5 years and counting, you guys. But I have them just sitting like this on a shelf, faced forward, and they've been there for 5 years and counting. Ding, 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 and counting. Look at them though. What I love to do is pull out a petal. I'm gonna pull out one from this one because I'm losing petals. Every time I do an update, I pull a petal out so you can hear how crisp they still sound. It still sounds like a brand new petal. Pull off a petal from a fresh flower and break that in half, and you hear that snap. That's what these do. So let me go ahead and grab one from somewhere that looks a little fuller than others. Let me just go over here into this little corner here. I don't know if you already heard that, but I already did. And if you want to listen. 5 years later. 5 years later. 5 years later. Like, I cannot believe this thing is 5 years old. And they say on their site, roses for a year. I have roses for 5+ years and they are still going strong. So I'm actually really excited to see how long they're actually going to last, because they have already above and beyond my expectations. Like, to even last the full first year, at first I was like, there's no way. Like, the first time I got connected to this company, I'm like, there's no way. Coming from a flower shop, coming from the floral industry, I'm like, there's no way. There is no stinking way. Rose Forever New York, they found that way, let me tell you. So that was my very first one, again, 5 years old. My second arrangement was this one, and it was so cool to show you something in a different type of an arrangement. So that's why I said different containers, styles. They have so many different options. This is the white one that I got. This was October 24th of 2020. So this is 4.5 years old. I really like this one because you can utilize this drawer. You can put makeup in here. You can put your makeup brushes in here. You can put things for like seasonal and have it sitting out, like have different colored leaves or flowers or something like that you wanted to put in here. You can put a catch-all in here. You can literally put anything in here. Jewelry, watches, whatever you would want to put inside of here. You have this acrylic drawer, and then the roses are down in here. Ooh, I almost dropped the drawer out. Let me put it this way. The roses are right here. And so this is how they look 4.5 years later. 4.5 years later. And I was super impressed because this one here shows there's no witchery-do, there's no like tricks or anything. When they're in these boxes, I was like, I wonder what is in there. Like, how are they preserving these? And then they came out with this style, and it's like, they're not. There's no trick or anything down there. They've just preserved the roses in a way to last super, super long and lasting, which that's amazing because flowers always die. And I always tell my man too, like, don't buy me flowers. They're just going to die. And if you do, have them in a wrap where they're not already arranged, because I'm so picky, I will start rearranging it anyways. So plain and simple for me, if you're even going to do roses or flowers or anything like that. But I just don't like, it's like, to me, I feel like it's a waste of money because they just die and then you're throwing them out. Where with these, they're not dying. They're staying beautifully for years and years and years. So here's my second one. Again, the white one, 4.5 years. After that, I got in 2021 in August, I got my yellow set. These are still bright and beautiful and gorgeous. Look at this. And they have, again, different sizes. So like here, they even have smaller than this, but just to show you like the size difference, you can do several different styles, sizes, colors, all kinds. So here is my yellow. This one sits in my kitchen. I absolutely love this. For fall, I would put this in my background for that month just because of the yellow is beautiful. But other than that, this sits in my kitchen and I absolutely love these, you guys. And look at that. They look like fresh roses still to this day. 3.5 plus because this is August. So almost coming up to 4 years old with this one. Almost 4 years old, and look at, they look just as beautiful as the first day that I got them. So here's my yellow set. Next was the red set. The red set I got, and I really, really love the shape of that one because it came out like a dome. It wasn't just flat like these are. It was a rounded, and it came out as a dome, and I got all red, and I sent those to my mom, and she has those on her dresser. I'll see if she can give me a video to show you what they look like now. I was just there a few months ago, and I was admiring them, but I totally forgot to record what they looked like so I can show you guys. So I will see if she can just give me this video to put in here for you guys to see. But I really, really love them. And again, I was admiring them when I was in her room, and I couldn't believe how deep of a red it was, still looking absolutely gorgeous, like the day that I got them. And those, the red, I got October 8th of 2022. So those are 2.5 years old already. 2.5 years old already. Like, oh my gosh. So the red are beautiful. I really, really love those. They're just still a deep red, and they look absolutely gorgeous. So there's the red set. Then I got these little singles for my 5-year anniversary on YouTube. And this now was May 2023. You guys, I thought my 5-year was last year. And so now I'm going on to 6 years. Nope. I'm going on to 7 years. I have been doing this for 7 years now. Crazy. So this one, I got one for myself to have for the occasion, and then I got 5. They actually donated 5 of these. I was gonna buy them, and they donated them for you guys. So 5 of you out there have this, and if you don't know, it's now over a year old now. Oh no, it's now 2 years old now. I'm sorry. These are 2 years old now. So all those 5 out there that have the matching pink one with me, they're 2 years old now. So this is the light pink color. It looks like a beautiful fresh rose. And yeah, so here is my 2-year-old pink single, which that's awesome because then if you wanted just to send one single, you can see it goes down to just one. They have so many different sizes. Okay, and then the very last one I got is the blue set, which I have had in my background. It's just, I put this one up recently, so soon it's gonna go back in my background because I love these, and blue is my favorite color. And this time I tried the marble box. So again, they have different containers, different everything. So if you want to check them out, and again, SheCrafty will save you $20 off your own set. So here's the light blue set. They do have a deep blue, like a dark blue, but I thought those just didn't really look natural to me because there's not really a blue rose, you know what I mean? So I wanted to get the light blue because I thought that just looked a little bit more realistic than the dark blue. But I love all of these colors because they're just like different shades of like a baby blue. But look at those, you guys. Now this set here, I got May of 2024. So this is April of 2025. So this is almost 1 year old. So look at that. So down to 1 year, all the way down to 5 years old right here. Isn't that crazy? Oh my goodness. So that is all of the arrangements that I have received throughout the last 5 years. I wanted to give you the update so you can see how gorgeous they still are. Again, I only back this company because I am proof that they are over a year, even though they say a year, and counting. Like 5+. Oh my gosh. Like, I can't believe it. And then now this amazing just mixed arrangement. I cannot wait to set this out and just start enjoying this. I might even have this in my background from time to time to switch things up, but this is just gorgeous. I think this will look absolutely amazing in my kitchen, like in the dead center on that counter where I always have like some kind of flower arrangement or something sitting there. I think this is going to look absolutely beautiful there. Oh my gosh, you guys. So that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, they will be linked down below. You can go and take a look at all of the different things that they have to offer, and SheCrafty will save you that $20 off if you are interested. Thank you so much to Rose Forever New York for sending me their brand new arrangement. I'm just so glad to show you guys something different, something new, something just totally out of the box, like not just roses anymore. That is amazing. So now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, I wanted to go over all of my updates to show you how they are all doing and to show you the brand new arrangement that they now have. Oh my gosh, you guys, again, this is just super, super exciting. I cannot wait to continue to see how they grow and what they do. I just absolutely love this company and only recommend this company as well. So again, they will all be linked down below, and SheCrafty will get you that $20 off if you are interested. If you'd like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything that I have to say and show for this particular video. Again, comment down below and let me know, what do you think of this new arrangement that they have now? It's not just roses. It has all these other flowers in there. What do you think of that arrangement? What do you think of all of the ones that I have? Which color would be your favorite if you did purchase one? Definitely let me know down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.